Airbus A400M. The A400M is the most powerful airlifter with 21st century state-of-the-art technology that has been proven, certified, and is in service. Most vital armed forces equipment that no longer fits in previous generation tactical airlifters, such as a heavy helicopter, an infantry combat vehicle, or a humanitarian digger, may be airlifted in the A400M's enormous cargo bay. The A400M has proven to have better range, speed, altitude, payload, and tactical performance than previous generation tactical airlifters, allowing game-changing capabilities to be delivered to the point of need, such as next to a natural disaster or a theater of operations where strategic airlifters are unable to operate. The A400M allows for cost-effective and quick crisis response. The aircraft has also proven its worth in humanitarian and disaster relief missions, as well as VIP transportation. The A400M is a larger, more contemporary, and fully multifunctional aircraft created precisely for today's and tomorrow's needs. The A400M solves the present logistic and tactical capabilities gap thanks to its good tactical performance and capacity to transport overweight payload over long distances. Lockheed C-130 Hercules. Even in the hardest circumstances and battle regions, the C-130 military transport aircraft has demonstrated its dependability, efficiency, and operational readiness. More than 60 countries use this multi-role aircraft for operations such as search and rescue, weather reconnaissance, maritime patrol, aeromedical evacuation, and aerial firefighting. This tough aircraft is frequently the first to arrive, touching down in remote landing zones before any other mode of transportation to provide humanitarian aid following natural disasters. Auxiliary power units, APU, and generators, radar, radio altimeters, air turbine starter, traffic collision and avoidance systems, and enhanced ground proximity warning systems are among Honeywell's safety and mission-critical onboard equipment for the C-130, EGPWS. Honeywell's industry-leading satellite communication systems can also provide consistent, reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity services to the aircraft, even in remote locations, providing a critical link between the aircraft and the rest of the battle space and increasing situational awareness for the operator. Boeing CH-47 Chinook. The CH-47 Chinook is a multi-mission helicopter used by the United States Army and other foreign defense forces. The Chinook is the helicopter of choice for humanitarian disaster relief missions such as transporting relief supplies and evacuating large groups of refugees. Chinook aircraft are used by the armed forces of 19 countries all around the world. Honeywell provides the helicopter with a number of systems, notably the T-55 turboshaft engine. Honeywell has produced over 6,000 T-55 engines, which are estimated to have accumulated more than 12 million hours of service on the CH-47 and MH-47 Chinook helicopters. Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. The Lockheed C-5 Galaxy is a large military transport plane that was designed and built by Lockheed and is presently maintained and improved by Lockheed Martin. The Galaxy resembles the smaller Lockheed 141 Starlifter and the subsequent Boeing C-17 Globemaster III in many ways. The C-5 is a big freight plane with a characteristic high T-tail fin, vertical stabilizer, and 4 TF-39 turbofan engines positioned on pylons beneath swept-back wings of 25 degrees. The C-5M has GE CF6 engines that are newer. The C-5 has 12 internal wing tanks and is fitted for aerial refueling, similar to its smaller predecessor, the C-141 Starlifter. An upper deck is located above the plane-length cargo deck for flight operations and accommodating 80 passengers in rear-facing seats, unlike most commercial airplanes, and the embarked loadmaster crew in forward-facing seats. Both the nose and rear bay doors open to allow drive-through freight loading and unloading. The plane's takeoff and landing distances at maximum load gross weight are 8,300 feet, 2,500 meters, and 4,900 feet, 1,500 meters, respectively. On paved or earth surfaces, its high flotation primary landing gear has 28 wheels to disperse gross weight. Antonov AN-225 Mriya. The Antonov AN-225 Mriya is a strategic airlift transport plane developed by the Antonov Design Bureau in USSR. It is the largest fixed-wing aircraft in the world. The design was based on the AN-124 Ruslan, which was a huge success. Due to the exceptional size of its cargo deck, the AN-225 is commercially accessible for flying oversized payloads. There is now only one aircraft in service, 640,000 kilograms MTOW. The AN-225 Mriya was designed to carry twice as much cargo as a Boeing 747 freighter, and it dwarfs the 747 in size and lifting capability, stretching as long as a football field from nose to tail and wingtip to wingtip, and with a maximum takeoff weight of up to 1.32 million pounds, about 598 tons. It dwarfs the 747 in size and lifting capability. Boeing C-17 Globemaster. The C-17 Globemaster is the United States Air Force's principal strategic lift aircraft for transporting personnel and equipment around the world. The C-17 can transfer troops and supplies to operational bases or immediately to forward bases in deployment regions in a strategic manner. The C-17 system's reliability and maintainability are two of its most notable features. Current operating demands necessitate high levels of dependability and maintainability. These requirements include a 92% probability of completing an aircraft mission successfully, only 20 aircraft maintenance man-hours per flying hour, and 74.7% and 82.5% complete and partial mission availability, respectively. The Globemaster III was built to land on runways as short as 3,500 feet long and as thin as 90 feet wide.